Greetings. My name is Dale Green. I'm co-founder and president of Gideon's Flight, Ambassadors for Men. Who are we? We are a registered 501c organization that mentors and create environments where men can receive some of the most important life skills that men are challenged with today that they may have not had an opportunity to be exposed to. Some of the services that we provide inside of our organization is team building skill sets, decision making or sound decision making, judgment skills. We work with men in crisis management, how to manage their anger, parenthood, fatherhood for those men who are fathers. What are the skill sets that they need to be able to build effective relationships in their homes, how to become better husbands, how to become better sons, brothers, uncles, and most importantly, how to make a positive difference inside of their communities. There's a saying that has a deep meaning to me, and the saying goes like this: you can kill the lions, but what do you do with the cubs? And if you think about that meaning, I'll give you some insight on what that truly means to Gideon's Flight. I was in an organizational meeting just a couple of days ago with another organization that were talking in terms of mentorship for young men. And they were looking at men in the age range is just about 13, 14 years old. And I was so proud to see this group of men, group of professionals who had come together to really take responsibility around mentorship and helping these troubled young inner city men. But while I listened to that conversation, or while I sat in on that meeting, I could not help but think, okay, they're the cubs, but what about the lions? What are we going to do about their fathers, their brothers, the other males in their environment, the males who will influence them long after the mentors go home? And that's where Gideon's Flight comes into play. Because I believe that in order to fix the young men, we have to go out and work together to assist the older men. To give the older men the skill sets that they're going to need to be able to be the positive role models that the young men have to see. Because at the end of the day, as I stated a moment ago, they'll spend a lot more time with the men, observing the men, watching the men, listening to the men, taking advice, hopefully, from the men in their communities than they will ever from a mentor who is spending an hour or maybe a day with them a week. So Gideon's Flight mission is to work with those men, work with the fathers, the husbands, the sons, the brothers, so that when those young men come home, they see the role models, the image of positivity that they have to have if we're going to make a positive change in these communities. So with that, I hope that you have a better understanding of who Gideon's Flight is. I invite you to visit our website, Men of Gideon's Flight. Again, I want to thank you for listening. I want to thank you for caring. And most importantly, I want to say to you that we're here and we're going to be here, and we feel an obligation and a responsibility to make it happen right here, right now in 2016. Thanks again. My name is Dale Green. Again, Gideon's Flight. I want you to have a great 2016. Goodbye.